videos which look at the long vowel sound I. Remember, vowel sounds are open sounds, so your mouth, when you say these sounds, it shouldn't be blocked by teeth, tongue or lips, okay? It's an open sound, okay? So I and E together in words can make the I sound. I. Okay, so let's put this two-letter sound into some words. And the first one we have is time, okay? Tie. I. Tie. Okay, I do not like to wear a tie very often, okay? I'm not really a tie person, okay? But yes, tie has the I sound. I. Tie. 3 letters, 2 sounds for tie. Okay, next one we have is flies, okay? Flies. 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 Okay, maybe there are some little flies, fruit flies in your apartment or house. Okay, not that I know from experience. Flies. Okay, so we've got 2 adjacent consonant sounds here. We want to blend them quickly together to make the fl sound. Flies. Okay, super. Let's go on to our final 2-letter I word, which is cried. 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 Okay, again, we're starting with 2 consonant sounds. We're going to blend them quickly together to make a cr sound. Cried. Cried. You could say, yesterday I cried, as an example of a sentence. Cried. Okay, super. So how many letters does cried have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Cried. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though these are adjacent consonants, they are still individual sounds, even though we blend them quickly together. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Like always, say it with me at home so you're practicing your pronunciation. So we got the 2-letter I sound here. I. Tie. Tie. Flies. Flies. And cried. Cried. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.